I thought I'd do a little video of my setup for pelting whatevers, mostly beaver right now. This is my my table where I do all the skinning. That's my fleshing beam. Kind of a copy of Coon Creek Outdoors with adjustability. I've got 3 sets right now that I can use. A few pelts. Just a few. Beaver board pattern. Prototype cat cubby for on trees. And a few more pelts drying. It's dark in here. Anyway, there's 3 more over there. And I've got 4 more to do this morning. This one's pretty well done. That one's already done. This one's thawing out. And that one's fully frozen. That's a real small one, just a kit. Anyway, later.